Day 4 of laundry week, and what are we doing today?
Folding clothes.
We are going to be folding clothes, and kids of all ages can help with this. Obviously some things are easier to fold than others, but we have a wide plethora of laundry to fold because this is all of our family's laundry for the last probably 2 weeks. So we are going to do some family folding today. So the easiest thing to start out with that even young kids can help out with is just a simple rag.
I know how to fold.
Do you know how to fold a rag?
Yes. It's so easy. All you do is...
It's kind of just like a blanket,
Yeah.
but it's like tiny.
Good job. Perfect. All right, can you do this one?
Yeah. I can do
So
one.
washcloths are probably the easiest thing to start with.
Ooh, this is
Hand
kind of
towels, a little bit harder.
big. Just like mini blankets.
This one's so...
Good. Okay, one more.
We used a little bit of these.
All right, we got all of our towels done. Well, not all of them. That's the first thing we practiced on. Now we're gonna practice doing bottoms. Shorts, pants, jammy bottoms, because those are probably the next easiest thing. So
Or
let's grab,
socks.
yeah, we'll do socks in a little bit. So first you wanna make sure, all of these are mostly inside out, so you wanna turn them right side out. So turn them the right way, stick your hand in, grab the bottom and
pull it
pull
out.
through.
Wait,
Yeah.
is this inside out?
I don't know, yes.
It's
That
inside
one,
out.
no, that
that's
one's not, but the other leg is.
Okay.
Let's
So
I'm already done. These pants are
Okay, you
big.
got it right side
they're my
out?
brothers.
So you're gonna grab it by the waist
I know how to do this part.
and then fold it in half so that the waist is folded in half.
I know how to do
These
this
are mine.
part.
Lay it down on the table. And we like to fold things and stack them Marie Kondo style. So we like them to be really narrow. So you wanna fold it like that so that we can stack them in the drawer.
Okay, I just gotta fold them like this.
That's great. All right, next up is shirts. These are a little bit trickier. So I've got a few shirts here. Again, let's make sure they're right side out. I think that one needs to be turned right side out.
this one doesn't. Has
This
like
one
a
doesn't.
raccoon thing on
And when I'm folding things, I try to think about the drawer that they're going into, since I'm gonna be stacking them one in front of the other, kind of like file papers in a file folder. I don't want them to be taller than the drawer. So, okay, this is, are you gonna fold in, let's see how Dallas is gonna do it. You're gonna fold in the sleeves first? Is that what you're gonna do? All right, what are you gonna do next?
No.
So let me show you what I do. So I like to put the shirt out with the sleeves out and then fold it in half.
I like to fold these in, and then I
So
like
put the shirt out, fold the whole thing in half so that the sleeves are together.
And then you put
And then
the
you can tuck the
sleeves
sleeves in.
in. And
Yeah.
then you turn
And
it
then I like to fold it into fourths. So I fold it all the way in half
one,
and then one more time.
two.
Perfect.
I did it more than 2 times.
All right, let's try yours. Let's try yours one more time. It got a little bit messy in there. Okay, so make sure your sleeves are
I know what to
unfolded.
do.
This shirt's kind of stained, but that's okay. All right, so
You
fold the whole thing in
see
half.
that I don't do that.
Good. Now tuck the sleeves in. Good. Now bring the bottom all the way to the top and then fold it one more time. Very good. That's perfect. All right, next up, socks. Do you guys know how to fold socks?
No.
So we have a few pairs here.
I know.
So you're gonna grab both the socks. You're gonna put the ankle parts together and the toe parts together. Uh-huh. And then you're gonna put your left hand down
What's
that
the
side.
left hand?
So this is your left hand. So you're gonna hold this top part, put your left hand there, and you're gonna stick your left thumb, which is this thumb, into that sock.
Oh wait, is it?
And then you're gonna grab that one with your left thumb, and you're gonna push this part, fingers up, yep, and wrap that sock around. This might be a little bit tricky for
Oh, I
toddlers.
can do this.
Good, Paisley.
I can't.
Okay, try it on these ones.
I can't. I can't even get to
You're close. You're close.
I'm gonna do this. Get my left hand here. Put my thumb here.
I'm trying. I can't.
I just can't.
It might be a little too tricky for you, and that's okay.
Here, do you want to do maybe easier?
It might be
socks?
easier with those, yeah. Okay, so let's see if you can do the longer socks.
Which one's left again?
This is your left.
Yeah.
The one that makes an L, remember?
Yeah. This.
Yep.
It's kind of
Good.
hard.
Nice job.
This is kind of hard.
That's great.
I'm only doing one sock.
That's all right. That might be a little too tricky for you. All right, underwear can be kind of tricky to fold as well. I also like to stack these in the drawer. So how I like to fold them is put them flat on the table. And then you fold the bottom part up so it's more of a rectangle shape. And then I like to turn it to the side and fold it into thirds. Good. Yeah, that's perfect. And then when they're in the drawer, they can stack like that. So you can either have a different child take a different type of thing, like give all the hand towels and all the dish towels to one child, have someone fold all the socks, have someone do shirts, or you can get a full laundry basket full of one child's stuff and they fold all their own laundry. So there's a lot of different ways you can format this, but the end goal is to teach each child how to fold all different types of clothes and eventually get them doing their own laundry. Start to finish, right? So we're gonna work together as a family to tackle all of this laundry and hopefully get it done pretty quickly.
Pretty quickly.
All right, we got all the clothes folded, and what probably would have taken me several hours, we got done in, gosh, 45 minutes maybe. So now we're gonna put them into the laundry baskets, and I like to just take the stacks of clothes, and that's how we're gonna put them into the drawers. So I like to put them in the laundry basket that same way so that they're easier to put away. So we just get our nice stacks. Got his clothes up here, so we like to put them into the drawers in stacks so that we can see everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it for folding and putting away day. Also, tomorrow I'm going to be showing you how to wash and dry your bedding, specifically taking you through the process of washing and drying these Betty's beds so you can see how that process is. So check back tomorrow for all about washing bedding.